second segment of our lesson, light. We are going to talk about today images formed by plane mirrors. So when you are in front of the mirror, you can see your image in the mirror. So what is the reason for this? Because of the reflection of light. Now we are going to talk about what is reflection of light. Reflection of light is a phenomenon of returning the light rays. You can see the returning the light rays, this is the infrared light, then returning the light rays to the same direction falling on the surface is called, you can imagine, that is reflection of light. Definition: the phenomenon of returning the light rays in the same direction after falling on a surface is called reflection of light. That is the definition of reflection of light. Now, my dear children, we are going to talk about light reflects well, smooth, polished, shiny surface. So, what are the, you can see in your day-to-day life, what are the shining surfaces? So, there are two I have entered there. Then, forming images by mirrors is a result of reflection of light. So, if you go in front of the mirror, if you can see your image, your own image, that is because of the reflection of light. Now, we are going to talk about what are plane mirrors. Plane mirrors, you can see the plane mirrors here. What is known as a plane mirror? A polished, shining plane surface is known as plane mirrors. There are two plane mirrors, so I will show you. So that one we can use as the plane mirrors. So, my dear children, how does a plane mirror is drawn in a ray diagram? When we are drawing the ray diagram, we can use a straight lines, short slanted lines to show as a symbol of a plane mirror in a ray diagram. How light is reflected by a plane mirror? So you can see, if you are keeping the plane mirror and if there is a lighted torch, you can do the reflection of this light beam to the other direction. That means the same medium. So in the ray diagram, we can use the light rays which using the arrowhead, the direction, and the reflected light ray using the arrow in the direction. So this is the plane mirror. Then that is the ray diagram of the reflection of light, a light ray. So my dear children, now we are going to talk about the types of images. What are the images? We are going to talk about real images. What are real images? The images can be obtained onto a screen. The image is named as, that image we can name as real image. You can see there is a mirror, a type of mirror. Then this is the lighted candle. You can see there is a screen. On the screen you can see the image of this lighted candle. So that is we can name as the real image. What are virtual images? Virtual images mean the images we cannot take onto the screen. So those images we can name as virtual images. What are erect images? So images in optic one that appears right side up. Just think, if I am taking the lighted candle, if I am keeping the mirror in front of me, through this mirror I can see this correct side. So that image we can name as an erect image. What is inverted images? Inverted images you can see. So that is an image in which up and down as well as left and right are interchanged That sort of image we can name as the inverted image. So here you can see the inverted image. So my dear children, now we are going to talk about now we are going to talk about lateral inversion. What is the meaning of lateral inversion? The phenomenon of inversing right and left side of an object when observed through a plane mirror. So that is that we can name as lateral inversion. When you are writing something, a letter, if you are observing using this plane mirror, then you can see the lateral inversion of the particular letter. So there are some examples. What are the examples? So you can see the letter D, because of the lateral inversion you can see like that. Letter B, letter O, we cannot see the lateral inversion because O is the symmetric. That is P also you can see the lateral inversion. Sometimes you have seen the word ambulance. On the ambulance, the vehicle, so written as like that. Why? With the other vehicles, if they are using the mirrors, when they are look at the ambulance, they can see in the correct side using their mirrors. So they can identify the ambulance very easily. So that is the instance we can discuss about the lateral inversion. Then now we are going to talk about find out about images formed by a plane mirror. So how can we find out it? You have to keep the plane mirror in front of the plane mirror. You can keep the lighted candle. Then when you observe it through the image of that lighted candle through this plane mirror, you can see some features. What are the features? Observation. Cannot be obtained onto a screen. That's a virtual image. We cannot obtain the image onto the screen. The other one, that is erect. So when you go in front of the mirror also, you can see you are the same side. And equal to the size of the object. You can see the object size and the image size. Then my dear children, now we are going to talk about what are the features? Features of an image formed by a plane mirror can be taken as follows. We are going to talk about this. So what are they? Before that, I will show you what is object distance. The distance between the object to the plane mirror, that is we can name as the object distance, and the distance between the mirror and the image we can name as that is image distance. So what are the features? Cannot be obtained onto a screen, that means virtual image. Erect, you can see the erect, both are erect. The other one, size of the image is equal to the size of the object. You can see the size of the object, you can see the size of the image, both are equal in size. Image is formed behind the mirror, that means you can see the object distance is equal to the image distance. The other one is it shows lateral inversion. Through this picture we cannot, but we discussed about lateral inversion. So my dear children, multiple images. What are known as multiple images? So multiple images can be obtained when we are taking the mirrors like that. If you are standing like this, with the angle in between that, if you are keeping the lighted candle or any object, you can see many images through these plane mirrors. So that is we can name as multiple image. So multiple images can be seen in different areas in our day-to-day life. Then my dear children, there are two plane mirrors by keeping angle 90 degrees. Then how do you find out the number of images which has formed with different angles? So, there is a formula we can use to find out the number of images with different angles. If number of images formed equal 360 degrees divided by angle between the two plane mirror, that means like, then minus 1, if you subtract 1, number 1, then we can obtain the number of images formed using these plane mirrors. So, when you go through this, you can understand if the angle between two plane mirrors will decrease, number of the images formed will increase. So, that is the thing. Then, so when I have given one example for how many images are formed when the angle between two plane mirrors is 60 degrees. So, number of images formed, we can take 360 divided by angle between the two plane mirrors minus 1. Then 300, when we are applying for this, 360 divided by 60 minus 1, 6. The answer, when we are dividing 360 by 60, then the answer is we can get the 5 images. So same as that, you can find out the number of the images which has formed with the change in the angle between two plane mirrors. So my dear children, so instances where plane mirrors are used. What are the instances the plane mirror can be seen? One is as mirrors in your dressing room. In your dressing room, you can normally we have mirrors, so come over here and to do a lot of things. So for that we use plane mirrors. To illuminate various objects in cinema and cinematography, we can use the plane mirrors. And in the microscope, we can take the light beam using the plane mirrors. The other one we are going to talk about to construct kaleidoscope and to construct periscope. We are going to talk about what is kaleidoscope and what is periscope. Kaleidoscope. You can see the kaleidoscope like that. Here. So we need 3 equal sized pieces of plain glass, and we can keep like this triangular shape. One side we can paste tissue paper, the other side open side. So if you are putting some amount of beads or the petals inside this through this hole, and if you are observing like this, you can see vivid patterns are there. So this is the picture of the kaleidoscope I will show you now. Then this is the way you have to make it. And the kaleidoscope is an instrument in which the formation of multiple images is used. Then this is the way that we have to construct the kaleidoscope. I explained now. I explained before also. And now we are going to talk about and these are some patterns of vivid patterns can be seen through kaleidoscope using the we are putting any beads. So the vivid patterns formed in the kaleidoscope are used to create designs for textile, for floor tiles, as well as the wall tiles. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about another instrument, periscope. So you can see the picture of the periscope. This is the place we have to keep our eye. So from here, the upper level, anything we can use, we can see through this periscope. Periscope is another instrument made using the phenomenon of reflection of light through plane mirrors. There are 2 plane mirrors. So you can see the diagram. These are the 2 plane mirrors. This is the way a light rays comes towards eye. So the light rays come and reflection using this plane mirror, and it comes towards the next plane mirror, and once again it reflects and it comes towards our eye. Then we can see anything in the upper level using the periscope. So periscope and observer can be used in different situations. Observer position in a a lower level can use a periscope to observe incidents that occur in a higher level. So in the submarine, we can use the periscope to observe what will happen, what are things around that area. We can see that. In the bunkers also we can use the periscope to observe the outside of the bunker. Then those other instances that we can discuss the where the periscope used. So my dear children, thank you and God bless you.